Perta mga badi kay magluto tag sudan. Tantagalon mga badi. Talbos ng kamuti. 5 fingers.
That's how this all began. You're the boy who was always with Misaki when she was little, aren't you? I could tell immediately. You look exactly the same as you did back then. Yeah. I can't let my family down no matter what. I have to win. Makabe can't stand in my way. Though apparently he was also once a bad who got bullied as a kid. Just like me. Fortunately, that's what some of the enemies up to before our show. There's car, no question about that. Hey, pushing me. What's wrong? Is it okay for you to run like that? Yeah, it's fine. I didn't get cut off with headless doctors for nothing. It's not. You seen Makabe come through here? Makabe? I haven't seen him. No. Maybe they are looking at him. Hold on. What do you mean? He's missing. We can't find him anywhere. He looked all over the school. What the hell is going on, damn it? It's no use. Look who's woken up. Someone help! Don't try any funny stuff. You don't want to ruin your hot, tough guy reputation, do you? Locker rooms is nowhere. Check this out. I did notice something odd. Yeah, I kept running into people from class A everywhere I looked. Just me? Just checking in. How are things going? Fine so far. I think he may have tried to escape when I was gone, but it looks like he's given up. Just make sure you follow my instructions to the letter. Got it. Don't you worry about a thing. What are you planning to do? Nothing. Don't be scared. Seriously? I just have to keep you here till Aki and Kanatsu can finish dancing. That is, until the after party's over. Until the troll princess and Prince Fanny finish dancing? It serves you right, too. That's what you get for hitting on Aki like you have. I see now. She's trying to kidnap her to sabotage our play. What are you saying? That you think class...
In fairness, you don't stoop to trickery. The just don't cheat, and they don't manipulate the game to get ahead.
I cannot deny that you have made a valid point, sir.
This moron thinks she's an actual samurai.
And yet, I'm just following all of the orders I was given. It was so god-high. We had to defeat you, so I tried. But I didn't think there was any way we could actually lose. It's not possible. What am I supposed to do now? Hey, Robbie, listen. I wanted to talk to you about something.
What you're talking about?
Did you dare play dumb?
Even if there is some plot against you, I don't know anything about it, and your play is about to start. Our show doesn't go up till this afternoon. I'll just wait right here until my friends come to get me. Bye-bye now.
Hold on, you dirty piece of filth.
Now the balance of power is shifted in my favor. We were at a disadvantage, but this is checkmate. All the pieces are falling into place to deliver Aki into my grasp and set the stage for revenge.
Sabaw taog isda mga badi. Ito sa natadaan badi kaya nato sabawan.
Its speed brings it to its prey, though victory remains fleeting. Even when a meal is caught, a cheetah's hold on it is rarely secure. Some zebras into narrow glass corridors, blocking escape routes. A The wild footsteps of millions of travelers across the African savannah. They journey through vast fields, crossing swift and powerful rivers. The hunger as grasslands fade, and the exhaustion that brings many to a halt, and the ever-present predators poised to take advantage of the vulnerable. This intense journey marks the end for some, but serves as nature's ultimate test for those who survive. It is a battle between hope and hardship. In this never-ending migration, life and struggle intertwine, painting a powerful picture on this harsh land. Wildebeest, zebra and gazelle began to shape the unique ecosystem of the savannah. Here, large herbivores have developed seasonal migration cycles. The rains and the new life sprouting from the ground trigger the migration journey as the vast herds follow fertile lands. Recent scientific research in 2023 confirmed that the Great Migration may have started around 1.7 million years ago. Formed during the Pleistocene epoch, between 2.5 million and 11,700 years ago, this migration has become an essential survival cycle in the savannah. As conservation efforts improved in the 1970s, the Great Migration across the African savannah is a natural phenomenon, driven by weather and instinct. Wildebeest don't follow a fixed schedule. They listen to the call of the land, the rains, and the renewal of green pastures. Carpet that stretches to the horizon. This is a crucial time. The herds of blue wildebeest begin to arrive. These large wildebeest, standing about 4 to 5 feet tall and weighing nearly 640 pounds, choose this area as their breeding ground. Here, the young calves are nurtured under the gentle protection of nature. This is not only a significant phase in the migration. In the harsh journey
Tanan
of
mga
the
badi
Great
kung luto na
Migration,
bagyo.
young wildebeest must grow quickly
Mga
as
badi,
time is
luto
not
na
on
mga
their
badi.
side.
Ang
Just minutes
sinabawan
after birth,
nga
a
isda.
calf weighing
Nga
about 40
gipiripo.
pounds must stand up. Its first steps are not just instinctual, they are essential for survival. Within hours, it begins to run, blending